Prime Minister Narendra Modi and Chinese President Xi Jinping had their first summit-level interaction on the eve of the 6th BRICS summit in Fortaleza in Brazil. With prickly issues like the boundary dispute often leading to tension in bilateral ties, the vexed issue came up for discussion. The PMO said in a statement, "Both sides emphasized on the need to find a solution to the boundary question. The Prime Minister stressed the importance of strengthening mutual trust and confidence and maintaining peace and tranquility on the border. He said that if India and China could amicably resolve the boundary question, it would set an example for the entire world on peaceful conflict resolution."
The Prime Minister mentioned that there was a need to address this. He said there was a need to find a solution to the boundary question, and maintenance of peace and tranquility on the border was essential even while both India and China work towards resolving this issue, that is the boundary question.
While the meeting between the leaders was slated to last 40 minutes, it lasted over 80 minutes. After the meeting, the Prime Minister tweeted, "Had a very fruitful meeting with Chinese President Mr. Xi Jinping. We discussed a wide range of issues." The two leaders discussed a whole range of bilateral, regional and global issues, including economic engagement and the threat of terrorism in the region. Referring to terrorism and extremism, the Prime Minister said that India and China should work together to fight the menace in the region in view of their common civilizational heritage. During the meeting, the Prime Minister suggested the addition of one more route for the Kailash Mansarovar Yatra in Tibet, keeping in view the terrain difficulties, a suggestion which President Xi agreed to consider.
Prime Minister referred to the Kailash Mansarovar Yatra and the possibilities of China providing an additional route that could make this travel much easier for Indian pilgrims.
The two leaders agreed that India and China have enormous opportunities to not only forge mutually beneficial partnerships but also serve as catalytic agents of Asian and global prosperity. Underscoring the importance of the bilateral relationship, Chinese President Xi Jinping said that when India and China meet, the whole world watches. Prime Minister Narendra Modi called for enhanced Chinese investment in the infrastructure sector in India, even as he flagged the issue of trade imbalance between the two countries. Agreeing that balance in trade is necessary for a sustainable economic relationship, the Chinese president suggested that services exports from India to China be enhanced to partly address the issue. Both leaders also expressed satisfaction at the high momentum of bilateral engagement during the past few weeks, including visits of Vice President of India Hamid Ansari and Indian Army Chief General Bikram Singh to China, and the visit of Chinese Foreign Minister Wang Yi to India as President Jinping's special envoy. While confirming that he will visit India in September, the Chinese president invited Prime Minister Narendra Modi to attend the APEC summit in November. The surprise invitation for the APEC summit came when the two leaders were discussing the need for both the countries to work together in international fora like the BRICS. While India has accepted the invitation to PM to visit China, the dates of his visit are yet to be worked out. Significantly, Xi also said that India should deepen its engagement with the Shanghai Cooperation Organization. The PM responded that India currently has observer status in the SCO but was ready to accept additional responsibility if asked to. The question is, with a new regime in place in Delhi, will both sides strive for swifter resolution of contentious issues like the boundary question and take their strategic partnership to a new level? With Bureau Inputs, Sakal Bhatt's report from Fortaleza, Brazil.